So where do you begin? This is one of the questions that I often ask myself is like, where do I begin? And so I thought I would start documenting some of the things that we're doing with my company in an effort to create more of a business machine versus something that's just another job. And I think it's important to note that the reason I'm doing it is because I want to be able to help more people. And as I have it set up right at this moment, it's like there's only so many things we can do. It's like you can only, as a business owner, you can only spin so many plates in the air at the same time. And yes, we've added staff, but I'm going to start documenting what we're doing moving forward. As an example, the first step we did is I had to write down, hey, what is it that the step-by-step that we have to go from, we start the project to it's considered done. And that worked out to be about a 16-step process. And then the next step I did is I said, okay, well, let's examine our staff. Let's write down everybody we have and what their roles are. And let's make sure we have the right people or enough people in place that if we had to reallocate the actual work to be done, that we would have the right people in place and we'd have enough people. And if not, then we need to hire somebody. We found out actually we needed to bring on one additional person. And then the third thing, and I'm just going to wrap it up with that, the third thing we did is I started creating an automation flow chart, if you will. So what I did is I basically went on to Google Docs and I said, okay, from step one to step done, what has to occur in there? And then within that, we created a series of automation steps. And what I mean by that is, let's say, for instance, if I hit this particular button, or if I fill in one of these columns, then it would trigger somebody to say, oh, there's a new project that started. And then they would take that and they would know they have to do step, 3 through 5. And then when they get to step 5, it triggers the next person to take that on. So we're creating this automation flow. It's not done yet, but that's what we're working on. So I thought I would share that because it's something that we can all do. Now, if you love doing what you're doing and you want to be the person or the people that are involved in that, that's fantastic. But if you want to build a business machine, then that's the journey I'm on. I hope you'll join me. My name is Jeff Harris. I own a company called Swing Point Media, and we're a digital marketing agency helping local businesses get more customers using content marketing.